Hello, folks, again. We're Thursday already this week, almost over. We got the Rapids cam there for you. We're seeing a nice view there. Saw a lot of birds there just a little bit ago. They've kind of flown away. That might be back here in a few seconds, but we're seeing a nice view looking across the Old Red onto the Pineville side to the north and to the northeast. Let's go up though toward another camera that we have here in Cenla. That's the Gina camera over toward LaSalle Parish, where we're 91 degrees. We see a mostly fair sky, and of course, a little bit of haziness mixed in with that. And let's check out another destination on the other side of I-49 with Leesville coming in at 94 degrees. We see some high cloudiness, mostly hazy, but we are seeing a hot day over in that direction with ample sunshine for the day. And I didn't see any rain here across the area for today. We see a little bit off to the east of us there across Alabama. Moving this way, there is a feature aloft that I've been talking about. I'm kind of worried about that straddling over in the Gulf more than the continent. But right now, we're going to see that not be a Gulf threat for us. But we saw and we're kind of in between areas, right? This one very isolated in the Texas Hill Country there between Austin, San Antonio, and San Angelo, Texas, right in that area. And it just got so hot today. Once again, like yesterday, it just blew the lid off. The high pressure is doing its best to squash that convection. But again, it was so extremely hot. I did see about a 113 there off the Caprock there, what's called the low rolling plains. I think I was around Aspermont there. So yeah, it's in the middle of the afternoon. It could have been hotter than that for the afternoon high. But here, no rain just yet. But I do have some rain chances for you coming into the forecast. Satellite and radar showing a little activity in the Gulf, kind of along this boundary across the eastern Gulf and then off the east coast of the United States. That bears watching for any tropical cyclone development. So we'll watch that as well, but nothing on the National Hurricane Center's radar as of yet. Futurecast back for us for tomorrow morning, your Friday morning commute back to work and school. I don't see any issues there. Once we go into the PM hours, I did have to put in 10%. I told you I might yesterday. Well, I went ahead and did it. This model is not the only one which is indicating some chance of rain for the day tomorrow. And I'm a guy, I don't believe in the silent tens. If it's a 10%, I'll throw it out there and mention it just in case. Futurecast goes into Saturday morning, say mid-morning, if you're out doing some errands or something like that, no issues there for Saturday. And once again, into the evening hours on Saturday, no issues as well. I think we go probably back down to 0% on Saturday, though, with the rain chances. But don't worry, they'll climb. And I got that in the 7-day forecast in a minute. Typically, we see 72 for tonight's low. I'm calling for 71. Lowest readings for tonight, 67, 68. So there will be some 60s. This will be the third morning, I think, in a row for some of you folks, especially up toward that Winfield, Gina, and Jonesville corridor, right in that particular part of the area. And then heading south and west, it just kind of warms up as we see 72 to 74 taking us from Manny and through Vernon Parish, Beauregard, Allen, Evangeline, and portions of St. Landry. Let's check out those highs for Friday. It's going to be a hot one. 93 is typical, but my forecast is going to read 96 for the Cenla average. We will see, I think, 96 here for the metro area. There could be some folks get away with maybe a 92 or 93, but some folks may also see 97, 98. In fact, I expect to have a few 97s on the map for the day on Friday. Now, let's check out the satellite imagery with Thursday. We've got the situation in the tropical Atlantic, where we see some cloudiness there in the central and eastern part. There's nothing organized, there's no threat, nothing seems to be organizing. But again, there is a chance that once we step into September, we may see the African wave train get active and come off the African west coast, and we may see some busy times there in September and October. But yeah, that's pretty normal in the tropical season, as you know. 7-day forecast in, there's your 10% tomorrow. Took it out on Saturday. Still hot, 95, 94s for Sunday and Monday. We got 95 Tuesday, Wednesday. Best day maybe Thursday with an average high of 92 degrees. So it's going to be seasonably hot at least through this time period. Rain chances begin to pick up a little bit on Sunday. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday got 30% in a row. And then Thursday, I have a 40% there. So some scattered showers and a few thunderstorms in the forecast. And don't touch that button just yet. because I've got an extended planner for you looking into next weekend, Friday through Sunday. Here's your rainfall hope continuing. In fact, I think the chance might get a little better. I got 50-50 for Friday and Saturday and holding steady at a 40 there on Sunday. So, yes, I know most of you need some rain like I do. Some parts of my yard, the grass is dying a little bit, especially close to the driveway, concrete driveway. And so you know how that goes. Once we get into these scattered showers and thunderstorms, it'll be hit and miss. But if you got 4 or 5 days of it, then it kind of adds up, and many folks will get at least a little something on the yard. And I hope that verifies for you. Take care, and Nick Mickels will be back with you in the morning, and I'll be back with you in the PM. We hope it's a fine Friday.